Today, I'm going to show you how to take your can of Spam and turn it into this delicious, gourmet tasting Korean side dish. No one's going to think that this was made using Spam. That's how delicious this dish is. And it's my secret recipe, so don't tell the others. I'm only sharing it with you. Now, make sure to watch to the end because I'm going to show you how to make this super simple, creamy, spicy sauce that goes perfect with these Spam Patties. 오늘의 레시피, 아주 맛있는 스팸 동그랑땡 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. You know it's gonna be good. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean product links that you could order online. Okay, so I have a 12-ounce can of Spam. So you want to take a fork and go in at an angle like this, almost all the way, and then you pull it out like this. No more struggling when it comes to taking out your meat from your Spam can. For my vegan friends, I want you to use about 12 ounces of plant-based ground meat. And using your hand, I want you to break up the Spam meat. You could use a fork, you could use a potato masher, but I found that using my hand is really the best way to break up the Spam meat. So I want you to break it up so that it looks like this. No clumps, just softened pieces of our broken up Spam. To this, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of finely minced carrots. Here I have a half a cup of finely minced white onion, 1 tablespoon of finely minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of sesame sea salt, 깨소금. Now this is optional. I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of coarse ground gochujang. That's Korean dried red pepper flakes. If you don't wanna add that spicy kick, don't add it. But for those that love spicy kick, I would add this and also maybe even another half a tablespoon of finely minced jalapeno peppers. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 참기름, some black pepper. I would say about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We need 2 scallions, finely minced. We also need a half a block of extra firm tofu. That's about 8 ounces. Place your half a block of the extra firm tofu, pick it up, and we're just gonna simply squeeze out the excess liquid from our firm tofu. You know, just give it about 5-6 squeezes so that it looks like this. So we need 1 cup of 빵가루, that's Korean breadcrumbs. Here in the States, these are also called panko breadcrumbs. That's Japanese, but either one works. And we need 3 jumbo eggs. So vegan friends, I want you to use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of cold water to bind our ingredients together. Then all you have to do is go in with your hands and mix everything up. So notice that I didn't add any salt because the Spam meat is very salty. So vegan friends, I need you to add 2 big pinches of salt, maybe even 3. So mix everything up until everything looks really well mixed in together like that. Now you might need to add another egg in here depending on the size of the egg you're using, but you want it so that this mixture is nice and moist so that you could kind of shape it into your hands like that. And if it stays, then it's perfect. And if it doesn't stay, add another egg. Make sure to pack it down like so. Now we're gonna get these guys on the frying pan right now, but you could also store it in the fridge for max of 30 minutes so it's nice and cold before it goes onto the frying pan. Have a cooling rack with a sheet of paper towel ready. Set your heat to high and preheat your frying pan for about a good minute or 2. Now once the frying pan is preheated, I want you to lower your heat to medium. Then add a generous amount of oil. I would say almost 2 tablespoons of oil, like so. Grab a spoonful of our stuffing and put it on your hand. Then I want you to make it into a ball, like that. I want you to press it down, pat the edge of the circle, like that. And then we put it on our frying pan. Just move it around a little bit to evenly distribute the oil, like so. And we just want to cook it on medium heat for about 2-3 minutes on each side, or until it becomes golden brown. It's been 2 minutes, and let's check the first one that we added. Oh yeah, that's the color that we want, that golden brown color. So we're just gonna pick it up and flip it over. Look how pretty that looks. Oh, that's the second one we added. Look at that. And once you turn everything over, let it cook on medium heat for another 2-3 minutes, or until it's golden brown. It's been about 2 minutes. Let's just check. Oh yeah, that's the color that we want. So these guys are ready to come off the frying pan. And then we're gonna place it on our cooling rack. Now let these guys cool down and continue making your second batch of the Spam patties. Now some of you are asking, well, can you make this ahead of time and store it in the fridge for a day or two? The answer is no, because once you let this sit for a little too long, more than 30 minutes in the fridge, it will start getting watery from all the natural juices from our vegetables inside. So that is no good. So here is an important tip. Before you start adding the second batch to this frying pan, I want you to take a piece of wet paper towel like that, throw it on, and quickly wipe off all the residue. If you continue to cook your second batch with this residue remaining in your frying pan, you're gonna end up with like black and dirty speck looking stuff on your second batch, and we don't want that. So make sure to clean it and wipe it clean like so. And finish cooking your second batch of the Spam patties. So this recipe makes about 16 patties. Oh, these smell so good. There are a lot of hands over there waiting to snatch these up, but you guys have to wait. So while these guys are cooling down, let's make our highly addictive spicy creamy sauce. To make our simple and delicious creamy spicy sauce, we need 2 tablespoons of Korean mayo. If not, use Japanese mayo. Or if you want to make it gourmet, use creme fraiche. Vegan friends obviously use vegan-friendly mayo. We're gonna add half a tablespoon of ketchup, your favorite ketchup. And here I have gochujang. This is fermented red pepper paste. And we need half a tablespoon of gochujang. And that's it. All you have to do is just mix this up so that it looks like this. I wish you could smell this. It smells tangy and like slightly spicy smell in the air and creamy taste. Let's have a quick taste test. You know what kind of sauce this is? I would put it on everything sauce. I would put it on my sandwich. I would put it on fries, chicken nuggets, and I would also have it with Korean fried chicken. Really yummy. It's time to eat. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my hands, my clean hands, and I just wanna break it in half to show you the stuffing inside. Oh, it smells so good. So let's taste. Not only can you not smell the Spam, but it doesn't even taste like Spam because we added so many delicious ingredients. And then it's moist inside, but the outside texture is a little bit crunchy. Delicious. You gotta have it with the sauce. Our delicious, creamy, spicy, and slightly tangy sauce together. You know it's gonna be good. This creamy, slightly spicy sauce like took it to another level. It goes so well together. Wow, that is the bomb sauce. Okay, so for those of you who don't want to have like creamy sauce, you could also dip this in soy sauce, dipping sauce. And I have a recipe for that, so you could check it out and the video will be in the description box below. But boy, oh boy, that sauce is the bomb. And of course, the ultimate way to enjoy this is with warm Korean rice. Kimchi, banchan, and Korean rice is a must, Bon appetit, everyone. First of all, that was a huge bite, but I did it. You know, Korean food I love because all you need is warm rice, kimchi, and like 1 or 2 delicious side dish, and I'm happy, I'm golden. Like, I'm just saying, this is really good. So make it at home. Okay, so if you want to check out more delicious Korean side dishes, make sure to go to youtube.com/madonpepper, select the playlist tab, and select Korean side dishes playlist, and I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you have not done so. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.